Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to use community preset in Lightroom on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe on the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. Now go ahead to these Lightroom applications. So if you want to use the community preset in Lightroom, just go ahead to this community, and after just choose the photo that you want to use for the presets here guys. For example, here I'm gonna scroll it down, and here I'm gonna use this presets. Just tap on it like this. And now this is look like that I want to use for the preset here guys. Now here you can tap on the three dot icon here at the top right. After, you just have to tap save as preset first, and if it is done, if it is already saved, you just have to go back and now tap on this edit. For example, I'm gonna edit again. I'm gonna choose the photo, and this is the photo that I want to edit here guys. Now tap on add. So if you wanna use the preset that you have saved before, here just select the photo, and now go ahead to this icon, and after here I'm gonna go back like this, tap on this yours options. Now as you can see, there will be saved from community. Tap on it, and this is the preset that I have saved before you guys. If you wanna use it, you just have to tap on this like this, and this is the look like you guys. This is only for the example, so I don't have any photo that match to this filter or to this preset. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.